Guys, today we are going to talk about planets in our solar system. Actually, there are 9 planets in our solar system. Let's start our video. First one is Prithvi. In Hindi, Prithvi. We are going to say in English, Earth. Earth. And next, Brahaspati. In Hindi, Brahaspati. But we are going to say in English, Jupiter. Jupiter. Next, Mangal. In Hindi, Mangal. But we are going to say in English, Mars. Please subscribe my channel and like video. Next, Bodh. We are going to say in English, Mercury. Mercury. Next, Varun. In Hindi, Varun. Next, Hindi Varun, but we are going to say in English, Neptune. Neptune. Next, Yam ya Grah. We are going to say in English, Pluto. Pluto. Next, Sunny. We are going to say in English, Saturn. Saturn. Next, Uranus. In Hindi, Uranus, but we are going to say in English, Uranus. Next, Shukra. We are going to say in English, Venus. Shukra, Venus. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like video and share your relatives.
अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है ना तो आप हमें कमेंट जरूर करें. क्वेश्चन को अपने पास ना रखें, हम तक पहुंचाएं, हम उसको आंसर जरूर देंगे. अगर आपको वीडियो में वाकई में मजा आया ना तो गाइस ऐसी वीडियो के लिए एक लाइक तो